PUBG Mobile? Do you want to create a new account? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you how. First, open PUBG Mobile on your phone and wait for the game to load. On the login screen, choose one of the available sign-in options, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, or another supported account. Select your preferred option and follow the instructions to sign in or create your account. If PUBG Mobile asks for permission to access your account, review the request and continue if you agree. Once you're logged in, choose your region or server if prompted, then create your in-game nickname. Complete the initial setup, and you'll be taken to the main menu. Your PUBG Mobile account is now ready, and you can start playing. Follow Rapidguide for more simple gaming tutorials and guides.